Welcome, Gearheads, to the, well, value of the unboxings and the winner of July's monthly giveaway. I'm going to go ahead and say it because no one else has joined my Patreon page. So Gallo-Glass Descendants is once again the winner of the monthly giveaway because he's the only one. Guys, it's $5 a month. $5 a month, and you can get free gear plus the cost of shipping. It's still a really good value because I try to give you as good a value as I possibly can for your hard-earned money. $5 a month, you get the chance to win. So far, it's only been Gallo-Glass Descendants. He's my only Patreon subscriber. So there you have it. He's the winner. Again, congratulations, Gallo-Glass. I will be sending you the updated list with all the different items that you will be able to choose from. It's going to be 1 item from Tier 1 or 2 items from Tier 2 or 3 items from Tier 3. I think that's the way I'm going to go. I know the last month it was 1, and 3, but I got a lot more stuff and I'm running out of room. So it's going to be 1 item from Tier 1 or 2 items from Tier 2 or 3 items from Tier 3. Okay, let's get started, shall we? The values and if I think I got hosed or if it actually worked out. First one is going to be the big box, TacticalBox. Now, the problem with TacticalBox this month is I did add 3 items that were promotional items, and so this one's going to be a little off as far as value goes, but not by much, I promise. So let's get into it. Let's open it up and see what we've got. So the first item is going to be the first hour trauma kit. After hearing from in a comment, I did go ahead and look this up, and the tourniquet in this is considered a very cheap tourniquet, not reliable. It's never been tested, so don't use the tourniquets that come in this. Okay, but there's still a lot of things in there that I can use that's not the tourniquet. You know, there's bandages, there's band-aids, there's tweezers, there's shears. I mean, there's still a lot of items in here, plus the bag. I'm still going to use it because, guys, I put together the vehicle kit from MedicBox, and everything barely fits in that thing. In fact, not everything can fit inside of it. I'm actually going to get a pouch to go on the outside of that one for the tourniquet, shears, and marker like I would do for any of them because I think you should have that on the outside anyway. It's a lot easier to find. That's what I'm going to do. I'm still going to keep this, but they have this at $49 is what you can get this for off of Amazon. So $49 for a trauma kit. Next item was the Fire Strike. I believe they call that a permanent match. I think is what they try to call it. The TacRite keychain Fire Strike, endless match or permanent match, whatever they want to call it. That is about $18. Okay. Then we've got the rechargeable keychain light, $20. That right there is a giveaway item. Then the next thing was the Strike Pocket Knife, which you're supposed to be able to hang around your neck. Yeah, I'm not doing that. That's a giveaway item. That one is supposedly a $29 knife. Okay. Next item would be the Patriot Addict Eagle Pocket Knife. I'm keeping it. There's no real retail value on this one. I had to find it online, and it was $16 on eBay. Okay. I still like it. I think it still looks cool. There is absolutely no data on the TacRite survival kit. They don't sell it on their website. There's no mention of it anywhere. So I have no idea what the value of this thing is. Compared to other survival kits that are made out the same way, I'd say probably $20. Maybe 30 because it doesn't come with a bag like this one, and I'd say probably $30 is what it's probably worth, maybe, and that is definitely a giveaway item. And then we've got the 3-in-1 portable espresso machine. These vary, and according to the model I've got, I'd say it's probably close to $30 value is what you can buy one that's similar to that from Walmart. $30. Okay, that's a giveaway item. Then there's the TacRite telescope. On their website, it retails for $100. Guys, you can get this thing on eBay for 15 bucks. And then there's the Department of Defense collectible coin. I like this. And you can find these for 10 bucks as well. I still like it. But when you combine everything at what I could find data for, it's about $287 is what they say this box is roughly about worth. But that's if this thing's $100. This thing's 15 bucks. Now, I'm still going to give it a chance and test it against the one I bought from Amazon, but I am not hopeful at all that this thing will be worth a darn. So this thing is worth about $187, and I spent 115 bucks on it. Yeah. I feel like I got hosed. Well, I didn't really get hosed. I did spend 115 plus tax, and it's 187 in real value. It's about $187. So I did get more value out of it, but come on, TacticalBox. That's ridiculous. I should not be seeing stuff like this for 15 bucks on eBay any day. Brand new, not even used. Brand new, 15 bucks plus shipping. That's sick. That's TacticalBox. I think I'll stick with them for at least one more month, but it probably won't be any more after that. I did go up to their ultimate level. I believe that is what they said, their ultimate or pro. I was the pro box. I think I went to their elite or whatever they want to call it, and it's 150. I got a special deal for 115. I've already been charged for 150, so that's what it's going to be, is 150 bucks a month. I don't think so. Next one, GearPack. We have the Marshall Outdoors foldable day bag. They say is $28. If you'll remember from last month, Marshall Outdoors doesn't have anything on their website. I've looked them up several times. It's not there. They're saying $28. REI makes one that's very similar to this, and it's about that same price. It's actually about 30 to 40. So okay, 28 bucks. All right, not bad. It's not something I'm ever going to use, so it's a giveaway item. Next up is the Rothco paracord keychain. GearPack says it is worth $5. On Rothco's website, $4. Okay, $1 is not that big a deal. Okay, the Ontario Knife Company Traveler. Yes, I was right. I already have this knife. GearPack says it's $25. Several websites listed at $10. That is crap. Next up, the sticker is free. It's a bonus item, so that's mine. The next item is the GearPack nylon hammock. Ultralight hammock is what they say on their thing. They say on their card is worth $55. Do you realize that you can get a Grand Trunk, which is pretty good brand from what I've seen, from my research, from Academy Sports for $30? Yeah, $50, $55 for this thing? I don't think so. I think it's overinflated in price again. And last item is the Colin's Cedar Fire Disc. Now, this thing they got really close to as well. It's $4, and GearPack says it's about $4. Okay. All right. Awesome. If you go by with this is actually pretty funny. If you go by with what GearPack says everything is worth, according to their card, total value of the advanced box, I don't get the ultimate. The ultimate came with another fixed blade. I don't need any more blades, is $108.95. Now, I always round up to the nearest dollar. It's just simpler. So it's $109. When you do the actual math, it's $117 in value. They can't even do their own math properly on GearPack. If you go by what I've actually been able to find some of this stuff for, or something comparable, $76. $76. I paid $90 plus tax. GearPack, I said when I first opened this box that you redeemed yourself. Nope. You have officially screwed up. I'm done. I will be canceling my GearPack membership because they have either inflated the price. No, there is no maybe. They have inflated the value of the items that they sell, that they put in their boxes, to make it sound like you're getting this incredible deal, and you're not. You're not getting a good deal. The last few boxes I've either broke even, or this one I've considerably lost on. $14 in value is what I lost plus shipping. Yeah, nope. GearPack is done. I will be canceling. GearPack is out. They have scammed me for the last time. I'm done. Now, does that mean I'm going to not keep items? No. I'm keeping the hammock. I might use it, but they're done. Next up is MedicBox. Guys, I'm not going to lie. This one surprised me. I couldn't believe it. The Pro box, which is what I get, is $100 box. We're going to find out you're going to find out what shocked me. Okay, the EDC pouch, the wallet, what they call kind of a wallet. The value of this thing is $18. I haven't decided whether I'm keeping it or not. After all, we'll see. The S-Mark bandage, the elastic compression wrap, is valued at $10. And this is pretty typical. You get stuff that's not worth, doesn't have a lot of value to it at first, but it's generally the pro items that really push it over. But we're going to get to that. The Nightcore Thumb EDC light, valued at $20. High fin chest seals, 2-pack, which is how they should always come, $15. Nitrile gloves, $1. The Stay Alive guide from My Medic, which I already have one from BattlBox, that one is $15. This is where it kind of surprised me. Kershaw knife, that is going to become my new EDC knife. I just haven't used it because I wanted to make sure I got this video done first. $35. That's a good, and it's a knife that I'm actually going to use. And then there's the Dynastopper dressing. I couldn't find a retail price on this by itself. They sell them in packets of 60 for like $160. So by doing the math, it comes out to $2.60. $3. Okay. For a grand total value of $117. Awesome. I liked this box. I have enjoyed MedicBox a lot so far. It has not disappointed whatsoever. A lot of the stuff is great. I might keep this pouch. I'm not sure yet. And I wasn't thinking I was going to keep the Nightcore, but we'll see. It actually has a spot. What I love about MedicBox is that when you look at their card and you want to put everything together, they actually show you how to put your kit together on each card for your kit. So there is a spot for that Nightcore thumb light right there on the side. Now, like I said, I already have an EDC pouch that I really, really like that holds my multi-tool plus a flashlight. I may not need this, but we'll see. We'll see how everything goes together. So that's MedicBox. MedicBox, like I said, has never disappointed. MedicBox has been awesome. I mean, it's medical gear. How can you go wrong with medical gear? Well, I can tell you how you can go wrong with medical gear. They can overcharge you for it, or they could give you a bunch of stuff that's crap and overcharge you for the box. MedicBox doesn't do that. They've been great. MedicBox is actually put in their box actual stuff from like My Medic, SOF tourniquets, Cat 5 tourniquets, the whole shebang. They are legitimate, real world medical supplies. All right, guys, we're not quite done yet. We got BattlBox. If it will open. Here we go. So BattlBox, I got to pull my paper out here now because the box takes up way too much space. We have the County Com Lock Manipulation Training Kit, which has the picks and a lock to train with. That retails for $25. And then the Hot Snot Fire Starter, that retails for $13. And then we have the Duct Aid first aid tape, which you can make. It shows you diagrams on how to make your own bandages out of basically duct tape, and that comes to $15. This is what really surprised me. The Triumph Brass Training System retails for $100. And then this Rockagator Stowaway, $100. This thing is $100, and that is about the same price as the Mantis training system, if memory serves. Yeah, I'm looking forward to testing them, putting them head to head, and seeing which one comes out on top. I really am. This one is more compact and able to fit in my range bag a whole lot better if I wanted to, whereas the Mantis system is here to here. I mean, it's a big case. So I'm looking forward to seeing how that works out. For a total value of $253, guys, I loved this box. I'm keeping absolutely everything as of right now, and I can't remember the last time there hasn't been a box that I've been like, yeah, I'm keeping absolutely everything except for MedicBox. It's only been MedicBox I've kept everything. Every BattlBox I've gotten, there's been something in there I'm like, I don't need that, or I'm not going to keep that. No, this one I'm keeping absolutely everything. I love this. I love everything that came in this box. It's all stuff that I will use or could use. It's awesome. I love this box. $253 value on this box. That brings us to our last box, TacPack. So from TacPack, we have the MFT ammo cube, $20. The Birchwood KC target stapler, $13. The JE machine QD in plate, $15. The CMT, and this surprised me, the CMT UMD muzzle device is $74. That actually surprised me that's worth that much. Then we have, of course, we have Bomb Pop, but that's definitely a keeper. I keep all my stickers. Then we have the Reptilia, however you want to pronounce it, QD mount. Now, according to TacPack, its value is $55. No, $50. You can get it for $50. So down on the value by $5. The Edgar Sherman sling with QD hardware. TacPack says on the card $90. Nope. No. You can get the sling itself by itself for $50. You can buy mag pull QD hardware for $30. That makes it $80, not $90. Then the two extra pull tabs are $7.99 a piece, so $8, $16 for a grand total value. According to TacPack, is $283. I actually calculated out to $268. Oh well, I still made out like a bandit as far as value goes. It's still worth a whole lot more the way it is than what I paid. I'm happy with it. Is there a lot of things I'm not keeping? Yeah, there are, but they are things I could probably sell or give away or whatever to get some of my, money back. It's still a good value. It's still a great box. I'm not going to kick it any at all. All right, everyone. That is everything that I have gotten this month. Again, for the TacticalBox, that's $100 difference, man. That's pretty bad. I'm not keen on them right now. GearPack, they're gone. They're absolutely gone. I mean, that's one, you can't do math on your own card, and two, you're overinflating your value of your items. Absolutely not. And half the time there's stuff that's discontinued that you can't find anywhere. So I got scammed on this last box. I'm done. MedicBox, great box. Always has stuff in it that's good. Sometimes there are things in there I'm like, why did you give me this? Like the pelvic belt thing. Yeah, I'm never going to use that on somebody. It was more of an item that to me, that it felt like they threw in to increase the value of the box. Oh well, it still has a lot of stuff in it that I am going to use. This box was great. BattlBox was awesome this month. Absolutely everything I'm keeping. And then TacPack was good. Good value. Not keeping absolutely everything. Not everything in there is going to be used by me, but still quite a few good items in there. All right, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And again, if you would like to support the channel, please go to patreon.com/Kansas Gear Pursuit. Become a paying member for as little as $5 a month, and you get entered into for your chance to win monthly giveaways. $5 get you one entry, $10 get you two, and $20 get you three. All right, that's it for me tonight, guys. Have a great one.